Hello, welcome to the show. Another edition of the Amadeus Mobility Talks. Today I have the pleasure to talk with Lance from Enterprise Mobility. Lance, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Peter.
Welcome. Listen, Enterprise Mobility, you operate various different brands, right, under that umbrella. Can you please explain a little bit what is the structure or the different businesses you have in Enterprise Mobility?
Sure. Under the mobility umbrella, as you mentioned, we operate the three rental car brands, which you're familiar with, the Enterprise Rent-A-Car, National Car Rental, and Alamo Rent-A-Car, and also other mobilities like Rent-A-Truck, Car Sales, and Car Share.
That's a pretty wide portfolio you have.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen, coming a little bit to the mobility industry, right? And obviously that may vary depending on the brand or the business you operate. But what are the main changes you are seeing in the coming years to the industry?
Well, it's an interesting question, Peter, and really mobility is more than the vehicles we drive, obviously. It's really about the tools and the technology that make the process seamless, more efficient, and more personal. And as the world evolves and customer expectations change, Enterprise Mobility is committed to investing in technology and in people, and that's a theme you'll hear throughout our conversation, to support these growing demands.
Okay. Coming a little bit to the traveler, right? We see a lot of trends out there, right? About personalization, digitalization, sustainability. What are the main change in consumer behavior you are seeing?
So we know things like reduced friction, increased control, more personalization are key for customers. And to that end, we're taking a high-tech, high-touch approach to evolve the enterprise mobility customer experience, using technology to unlock possibilities and maintaining a human touch. So by bridging the high customer service levels that we've been known for, and pairing that with the latest high-tech capabilities, we really are reimagining how we can help people travel and the innovative solutions that will help them do just that.
Okay, interesting. And how do you navigate through all that?
Well, as mobility has evolved, so have we, and we'll continue to do so. We're investing significantly in the business, always supported by the Taylor family, to ensure that we are exceeding customer and employee expectations and shaping the business for the future. We will continue to evolve our mobility lines and the services we offer based on the customer needs and the expectations. And I think that's really the point. As the needs and the expectations grow and evolve and change, we're going to be there to support our customers.
And then coming to Amadeus, how did Amadeus support you in all that?
You know, Peter, I know both sides have worked really hard at this partnership, and it's one that we hold dear and we're very grateful for. But our partnership has really enabled us to work towards a shared goal, providing excellent customer service and mobility solutions to our mutual customers. Again, partnership we cherish, and we're very thankful to you and your team.
You already answered my last question. How would you describe the partnership we're having?
How would I describe it?
Forward. One sentence, very brief.
Forward-looking.
Forward-looking.
Yes, sir. Looking forward into the future, identifying trends, working together to come up with good solutions.
Thank you so much for that interview.
Oh, it's my pleasure. Thanks for having me.
Thank you very much for watching this edition. Sure you found it interesting and educational, and please stay tuned for the next session coming soon. Thank you very much.